Welcome to the Specialty Lash License State Board Kit Exam Review. This is what you'll bring with you to the State Board. You need to have a container that's 30 by 30. That way you can keep everything inside of it and your kit can be closed during that process. These are the requirements for the PSI. Inside of your kit, let's review. You're going to want to bring a mannequin with you that already has a lash strip on there. You are going to want to have a trash bag that is clearly labeled. You want to have your EPA disinfectant. Inside of your kit, you want to have your pre-exam setup disinfected sanitized. Let's review what's inside of your bag. Right. So during the first part of the exam, they are going to ask you to get ready for the whole process. Inside of this bag, pre-exam setup, disinfected, sanitized, you're going to have everything you need to basically clean your area. They want you to clean the table with your EPA approved disinfectant. Again, they're not worried about the brand. They just want to make sure that you have all your bottles labeled properly. They want you to have hand sanitizer, and yes, you have to have it labeled as well. They want you to have tape, your tape so that you can tape your trash bag, and paper towel so that you can wipe everything down, or if you want to bring Cavicide wipes, you can. So I will have you guys just have a bag that has all of these items in it for the beginning of the exam. The next part of the application is going to be eyelash extension application. You'll still want to have disinfected, sanitized. Let's review what you're going to have in this first part of your practical exam. Of course, you want to have your tweezers. You can have it in a case of your choice. Do not label. You want to make sure you have your head wrap to keep the hair away from them. You want to have Eyepads. This is not to be labeled. You want to have your eyelash extensions. Again, they're not worried about the brand that you're using. They just want to make sure that you have a closed container. And with this being said, you can actually use a lash tile. Just make sure you have a case for it if you'd like. They want you to have eye makeup remover. Again, they're not worried about the brand or anything, just label the bottle. Your medical tape and your glue ring or your adhesive holder of your choice, and cotton rounds or your micro brushes, and your adhesive that is clearly labeled. Okay, so that is one part of the exam. The next part of the exam is the lash removal. So you'll want to have all of your items for that. Let's go through this bag. Your lash remover, you're going to have a towel. This towel is going to prop up the head for your client for you to do the removal. That's one thing State Board is looking for. Your lint-free eye patch. Again, they're not worried about the brand or what type of patch, just have that. Of course, your adhesive remover. This is what needs to be labeled. Residue cleansing product. This is a product that you're going to use to cleanse the lashes. It could be lash shampoo, it could be anything, but just label it residue cleansing product. And of course, you're going to need mascara, sorry, not mascara ones, but micro brushes and your cotton rounds to cleanse the eye. And that is what is needed for your State Board exam kit.